Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Angry Birds character. This time it's gonna be King Leonard Mudbeard. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start with his nose first, which is gonna be right in the middle. So we're gonna draw almost a full circle, but just kind of leave the bottom open first. And then on the bottom we're gonna close it out. It's gonna be a little bit flatter. Okay, so almost a full circle. And then for the nostrils inside, just gonna be 2 circles. So draw one, and then on the other one, it's gonna be slightly smaller. Okay, and let me shade it in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. It's nice and easy to do with a Sharpie. And then from here we're gonna draw in his eye. So it's just gonna be right on the side of his nose. So just come right in the middle right here. Just come across and draw like another circle. It's gonna be smaller than his nose. Come across. Okay, and then to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna draw in 2 dots. Alright, and then from here we're gonna draw in his mouth. So the mouth is easy. We're just gonna draw one curve right underneath the nose. Just go all the way around toward the eye. And then when we hit the corners here, we'll round it out. And then we're gonna draw one big curve coming down. So we're gonna have his mouth open. Okay, and then for the teeth, nice and easy, right in the middle here. Come down with a line, and then on each side I'm just gonna curve it out. Okay, so 2 on top and then 4 on the bottom, so same thing here in the middle. Draw a little line first and then curve it out this way. And then one more here, just one little hump. And then right underneath the mouth here, I'm gonna add one little line and give the shape of his lip. Alright, and then from here, let's go in and draw in his eyebrows. So I'm gonna come up here, let's draw one curve going out first. So same thing here, just go up. So that's the bottom, and then for the top, start here and just go out again. And then whatever space you have here, just kind of zigzag and connect everything up. Okay, so now let's finish up the head shape. So start right around here. I'm just gonna draw a bracket first. Just gonna go out. So just go around the eye. And then from here, I'm gonna go down, just follow the curve of the mouth. I'm gonna come in and then tuck it in right underneath the lower lip there. Okay, so this part is a little bit tricky because it's a big curve. So just curve down and then go up. So this is actually the top of his beard. So we're gonna draw the bottom of the beard now. So I'm gonna come back up here. Just go out first, and then we'll go all the way around. So this one's a little bit smoother. So we just go all the way around to the bottom. So after the beard, let's go ahead and finish up the head shape on the top. So we're gonna continue this curve, and it's a little bit flatter here. So we're gonna go right through. Just go all the way across. Alright, and it looks like he's got some ears on the back here. Okay, so one hump for his ear, and then one more. And then if you want to add in some detail for the beard, you can just add in some of these lines. Okay, so that's his funny looking face. And now let's move on to the body. So we're gonna draw his arms first, and it's gonna be going out to the side. So right around here, his teeth just come out. You make 2 little marks first. So that's gonna be the top of his arm or his shoulder. And then we just go out on both sides. And then we just curve it in. Alright, and then we're gonna have to draw in his armpit first. So right here, just come down. You can make a little mark. So that's his armpit. And then from here, just draw one little curve. So this is a little bit bigger right here. Okay, so just connect to the armpit. And then to finish up his little claws right here, so this one's easy. So one bump here, and then 2 more on the sides. Okay, so 1 on the top, 2 on the sides. Okay, and then now for the rest of his body, which is really easy. So he's got a really big tummy. So from the armpit, just draw one big bracket like this. And then on the bottom, we just round it out. Alright, and then for his leg, we're gonna continue with this curve. Just come down, just round it, and just tuck it in. Okay, so here's this point. You come here, make the other mark first, just so we get the correct spacing, and then we're gonna come down again. Just connect that. Okay, and then for his little toes here, his little foot, just 2 little bumps. And that is it for this King Leonard. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.